How to download VN Editor app on your PC. Hello everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. Today I'm going to show you guys how you can easily download the VN Editor app on your PC. Let's get started. So the first thing that you want to do is head over to your web browser and search for VN Editor download. And once you search for it, you are going to open this link right here, or you can copy this URL and type it in directly and head over to this site. Now here you will see different options like download for Mac, download for Windows, download for App Store, and get it from Play Store. So I'm using Windows right now. I'm going to choose Windows, and it will take me to a Notion website where it says how you can download your VN Editor app on PC. So here is a step-by-step process. So first of all, you'll have to download and install BlueStacks, and then install VN Editor app on the BlueStacks. For those of you who don't know what BlueStacks is, BlueStacks is basically an Android emulator. So it emulates your Android device, which allows you to download Android apps on your PC. So you have this link right here to install BlueStacks, and then once you click on this installer, you should get your BlueStacks installer file, and you can install BlueStacks from there. And once you've installed your BlueStacks, it should look something like this. And this is your home screen, and on the left side of your screen you can see different tabs. Now just head over to the app player. While this is loading, it's a good time for you to head down below to like the video and subscribe to the channel. So just wait for your BlueStacks app player to launch. And once your BlueStacks app player is open, your home screen should look something like this. And on the system apps, if you open this folder, by default you'll get your Play Store right here. So just click on Play Store to open your Play Store, and make sure that you are logged in with any of your Gmail accounts. As you can see, I've already logged in right here on the top right corner. And now you can just search for VN Editor on the search bar. So just search for VN Editor. Now you will get your results right here. So just select the VN Editor app and then click on install. And that's how you easily download your VN Editor app on PC. If you found this video helpful, head down below to give this video a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe as well. I'll see you guys on the next video.